Today I want to go through the Multiplex Systems Control Center by Firefly. Your real benefit here is the one source control center. So you can control everything in your coach right from this console. No having to walk all over the place to get slides out, lights, whatever. So get right into it. Your home screen, that'll have all your main functions. So you'll notice the top left, you have your master light switch on or off. You can control the shade in the front. Also, you'll have front and rear temperature gauges, all your tank levels. You can control your tank heat, turn on your water pump. Then you'll also notice your house and chassis battery levels. You can manage your generator. You can prime it, and how you prime it is you hold the stop button and then you start it. Also, you can control your AGS right from the home screen. The second switch with the little lightning bolt, that'll be the auto gen start settings. Now that's based on time, temperature, and voltage. And if you go to Thor Motor Coach's YouTube channel, we have a real detailed, in-depth explanation of how to use the AGS. The third switch with the light bulb, that'll control all your lights inside the coach. So you have your entryway, your main cabin, and then you have your rear. Also, you have the light master. If you just want to get out, turn everything off, real simple. If you notice any of the light bulbs have an up or down arrow next to it, that indicates that that light has a dimming function. So if you hold that button, you'll notice the lights will dim. Then you just turn the master light back on, light goes back to normal. The fourth switch will have the temperature gauge. So from here you'll be able to control the front and the rear climate. So if you want to set the cool setting, when the coach to cool down, you have the high, low, and auto functions. Just hit high for instance, and then hit cool. Before the coach to actually cool down, you need to get below the actual temperature. It is cold out today. You'll see the snowflake appear, and now we know we have cold air coming into the coach. Next function, you'll be able to control the kitchen and the mid-bath fans. Your slide outs, make sure your jacks are always down. Now from here you can control the awning, and you can also control the master slide. Lastly, I'll take you to the settings page. Pretty self-explanatory, but I want to focus on the top left. You'll see the mobile app. Click here. This will take you to the Vega Touch Mirror screen. From here, you download the Vega Touch Mirror app on your cell phone. Your customer then follows the instructions when prompted, and once paired, your system's control center just became mobile, and controlling the coach just became a lot easier, as well as setup and teardown just became a whole lot quicker.